Video is only something to do before to install Oracle databases and Oracle software to prepare the Oracle server. Okay, and now I say this step is only to install Microsoft Server operating system. Okay, when we finish to install operating system, we can configure the network, configure the storage, and we decide what kind of Oracle we put the it's only a simple basic installation of Oracle. Okay. I put my password. Okay, I can stop only here because the objective, the goal of this is only to show how to prepare the server. Okay, how you prepare your Windows server to receive Oracle. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye.